how to save Pinterest pins to secret boards. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Want to keep some of your Pinterest pins private and hidden from your profile? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to save pins to secret boards easily. So open up your Pinterest app and then find the pin that you want to add to the secret board and then tap on save. Now you can just tap on create board and then put in the board name and toggle on the make this board secret and just hit create in the top right. And that's it. That's how you save Pinterest pins to secret boards. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.